Hi guys, good morning. I hope I am audible to everyone. So let's start with today's session. So this is basically orientation session for all SP2 April and May 2025 planners. So in this session, I will not be basically covering any particular content, but I will be taking you through entire schedule. I will be telling you like how we have to proceed going forward. So with this, we have commenced with our live sessions. So we will be basically giving you targets every week from now onwards, that like how you need to proceed. But first of all, let me show you like exactly what content is there with you, how we are proceeding, and then we will come to the targets and everything. So be with me throughout the session, because for those who are starting for the first time, for those who are new joinees, for those who have enrolled but have yet not started with their videos, for those who are planning to start with SP2, this is an extremely important session, because basically the entire approach for April and May 2025 is going to be discussed in this session. So be active everyone with me. So let's start with basically, let me show you first the schedule for April and May 2025 that we have prepared. So that schedule basically highlights the dates of your assignments, tests and mocks. तो मैं आपको सबसे पहले schedule show करती हूँ, and after that we will come to a lot of things. So I need to show you multiple things. So the first thing is, see this schedule. So अगर आप अपना portal check करोगे, basically ना, I just want to tell every one of you that portal is where you have got access of your videos. So as soon as you have enrolled, basically आपके पास एक mail आती है जिसमें you have your activation key, and using that activation key you can download the software on your phone and on any device where you have taken the access, and you can start with your watching of videos, and everything will be uploaded there. Basically all our material will be uploaded in your portal, your content browser login only. So many students sometimes are confused like exactly what is portal. So portal means the software, basically from which you need to watch your videos, based the software in which you are taking live as well, the software in which all your tests, assignments, mocks will be uploaded. So एक ही सॉफ्टवेयर है, सब कुछ हमें उसी सॉफ्टवेयर से एक्सेस करना है. All your doubts, everything is there in that software. So there are many students who have enrolled but they have yet not even activated their key. So key activation is your first step. The moment you get a mail from our side, the key activation is your first step, because you need to watch your videos, and in videos we have covered everything. I will be telling you the content of videos also. We have prepared an Excel file where we have shown the content of videos also, but first of all let me show you the schedule. So you can see this, though this is very important. Basically this is for April 2025 students. There are dates of assignments deadline, there are dates of unit tests, then you have your mock assignments deadline, and you have your mock test. So let me first explain you what all this is. So assignments deadline means basically once we complete a particular set of chapters, so there are corresponding assignments for those chapters, and what we have done is we have given targets to complete the assignments. But आप assignments पे तब आओगे basically once you have completed certain steps. So what are the steps? Because throughout the entire diet we will be telling you कि okay, follow these steps, and sometimes students are not aware कि what these steps are. So the first step is that you need to go through chapter wise content. With how you need to go through chapter wise content? So first thing, you can watch the content lectures which are there on your portal. So for every chapter there are separate content lectures, so you need to watch your content lectures. That's the first thing. Second thing is, once you have watched your content lectures, there is no now next question that comes in mind of everyone is that do we have to go through co-reading? There is no requirement of going through co-reading, because in content lectures I have covered each and everything. So all your topics which are there in your co-reading, your practice questions which are there in the co-reading, are covered in content lectures only. So you don't have to worry about co-reading. You don't have to worry about practice questions at the end of chapter. Everything is there in your content lectures. Now, next step is the moment you are done with content lectures, we will be giving you weekly targets like which chapter you need to watch for this particular week, and the corresponding live session for that particular chapter will be there in the weekend. So first you are watching the videos. Second step is you are attending the live session. So in case you have enrolled for the video program, the video will get uploaded up for the live session. In case you have enrolled for the videos plus live program, you can access your live via same portal. So you can basically you will be attending live session as well. Now in the live session, my focus would be on discussion of multiple questions based on the content lectures target that has been provided to you. Now next step is, once we have discussed questions in the classes, we will be giving you targets to do more questions. Now how you will be doing more questions? We have separate past papers lectures for question discussion. So apart from the content lectures, we have covered in separate lectures different past papers in detail. So both II as well as IFOE questions are discussed in detail in different past papers lectures. So I will be giving you targets of content lectures also, watching of past papers lectures also, attending live sessions in the class also. So it's like you are doing multiple things. You are going through content also, you are doing practice questions also, you are doing past papers also, you are attending live sessions also. And then for every set of chapters, we have prepared multiple things. Now we have prepared summary lists, we have assignments, we have unit tests, we have mock assignments, finally we have mocks. So summary list I will show you, basically that has chapter wise list of questions that can be tested from a particular chapter from II and IFOE. So you don't have to worry about okay, once I complete the set of chapters, so which questions I need to do. First of all, you need to watch your past papers lectures, that mostly questions will be covered in those lectures. But in case you just want to see a quick look of entire questions that have been tested from these particular chapters, you can have a look at our summary list, which has chapter wise questions from both II as well as IFOE. Now then we have assignments basically. So once you complete your particular set of chapters and its corresponding content lectures, completion does not mean going through the co-reading. Completion means completion of your past papers lectures, completion of your content lectures, attending its live sessions, completion of its corresponding summary list. Then you come to assignments, and see, the deadline is too far because we want everyone to first get a base over your content. Once you have got a hold over your content, then you need to do your assignments. That's why we're not get any deadline in December and January, so that you can get more comfortable with your content. And for the deadline means that the team will be notifying you basically 1 week before also that you have your deadline approaching. So do complete your assignments 1 day before also that the deadline is approaching. Do complete your assignment, and on the day of deadline, basically by EOD, team will be uploading solution on your portal. So assignment is just for self-assessment. You are not supposed to submit it to me. But unit tests are for detailed assessment. So as per the dates, you will be doing your unit tests, and we have kept all the unit tests on weekends so that you are not concerned with your office commitments, and dates will be fixed. Timings will be communicated to you basically 7 to 8 days before only, so that you can manage all your commitments. And you need to send your unit test. The details of how you need to send, on which email ID you need to send, will be there on your unit test question paper. And once you send your unit test, we will be checking it in detail, and you will get a feedback and marking on your test. So that feedback and marking is extremely important to understand that where you are lagging. That's the main area. So अगर आपने एक unit test कर लिया, that means आपने सारे steps complete कर लिए. You have done with content lectures, you are done with past papers lectures, you are done with assignments, you are done with summary lists, and then you have moved to unit test. And then you can see we have mock assignments. So basically we have kept 3 mocks. So 2 as mock assignment and 1 as final mock for submission. So these are the dates which you need to be familiar with. So remember these dates, and the schedule is already there on your portal. So you don't have to worry about the how will I get the schedule. It's already there on the portal. And we have the separate schedule for India students also. So let me show you for India as well. So the dates are changed for India students. So you can access your schedule depending on the society in which you are planning to give exam. Now let me show you basically like how we have prepared summary list so that you can get an idea that exactly what is summary list, because although all these things are shared with you, but you don't take pain to go through these things until and unless it is explained to you like exactly what's the use of this thing. So let me just quickly show you summary list. So see, we have bifurcated different summary lists on the basis of different chapters. I will be taking you through content of also of the different chapters, and you can see these are the questions which have been highlighted, that these are important questions to practice from II past papers, and the questions to be practiced and the corresponding past paper to be taken has also been mentioned. So like this, there's a lot of list based on different chapters basically. So this is the list that you need to refer. And similarly we have different assignments also. Just let me just give you a glimpse of assignment also. So like this, you will get your assignment. It's there on your portal, and the marks are also there for each and every question, and you need to submit it. So this is for the assignment part. यूनिट टेस्ट और मॉक टेस्ट एंड मॉक असाइनमेंट मैं वो अभी आपको शो नहीं करूंगी, बिकॉज बेसिकली ऑब्वियसली यूनिट टेस्ट एंड मॉक्स विल बी शेयर्ड विद यू एट द टाइम ऑफ योर टेस्ट. Now let me take you through the content which is there in terms of videos on your portal. So this is the entire content. This Excel file is already shared with you. So do go through that Excel file also. It's via WhatsApp. The team shares this file with you. So this file has details with respect to कि अच्छा आपका जैसे content lectures की videos है तो उसमें video number 1, जैसे video number 0 is of orientation. So जो अभी orientation हो रहा है that will get uploaded in video number 0. So video 1 is for chapter 1, video 2 is for chapter 1, 2, C and C. We have 37 videos where we have covered the content, and the duration of each video is around 1.5 hours. We have mentioned it. Then you can see we have separate lectures for past papers. So past papers discussion, which is limited to IFOA, then chapter wise past papers discussion, any particular exam where I have covered, like this is you can see 20th is May 2023 exam analysis discussion, then again an exam analysis discussion. So we have around 40 videos where we have covered different past papers. And you can see this is trending topics discussion lectures. Basically trending topics means like climate change एक ऐसा topic हो गया, investment risk एक और topic हो गया, expense analysis एक ऐसा topic, मतलब which is more likely to come in exam, and which is not just related to any one particular chapter but can be tested in multiple ways. So यहाँ पर we have 7 videos which are not related to any particular chapter, but basically I have taken questions from multiple exams and which can be tested in your particular subject as well. ठीक है, so this is basically your entire content. So I hope कि till this point everything is clear to everyone. Basically this entire thing is highlighting like that how you need to proceed. So everything I am explaining in detail because this is an orientation lecture. इसके बाद we will be covering up with all technical discussion only. तो इन सब चीजों पे वापस आने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, and we have sufficient time to prepare for April and May 2025. So many times students ask me like how much efforts do we need to put in a day. So see, if you can manage 1.5 to 2 hours on a daily basis, it works for me. So from Monday to Friday, just try to complete 1 to 1.5 videos. Basically this should be your target. And Saturday Sunday try to give around 4 to 5 hours. So obviously apart from the live session, I will try to keep the live session basically around 1 to 1.5 hours, so that I'm not taking your lot of time. But in those 1.5 hours, basically you need to be very active if you are taking it live, because we will be doing questions analysis. I will be giving you on the spot question, and we will be discussing that question in detail, and then only you can remember till your exam okay, what mistakes you need to avoid. Basically you will remember throughout your entire attempt, because if you are attempting something and you're getting on the spot feedback on that, and you're seeing how others are also responding to that question, so that generally that question gets inbuilt in mind. So that's my target, to try to cover maximum questions in live class only, different style of questions apart from the video lecture, so that those same questions get inbuilt in your mind. Now, let me take you through index page as per the 2025 syllabus. So this is your index as per the latest 2025 syllabus. So you can see if you are doing SP2 for the first time, or if you're not aware of the content. So let me just explain you the entire content in detail. So you can see the first 4 chapters are about life insurance products. So these are important. I will not say कि question does not come from these chapters, because अगर आपको products की understanding नहीं होगी, so obviously, how you will understand its assumptions, or how you will understand its risk. It's very important to get a hold over the different products which are there. Otherwise, you will not be able to go through entire 30 chapters. So 31 and 32 is just problem solving and glossary, that you can ignore. Basically, you can assume that we have 30 chapters in our course. So first 4 chapters is all about different type of life insurance products. So mostly products you already have studied in your CT5 course, but still we will be doing multiple other products also that you have not studied. So endowment, whole life, insurance products, annuities products, all the different type of life insurance products will be covered in these 4 chapters. Then फिफ्थ चैप्टर इज अबाउट एसेट शेयर. तो बेसिकली एसेट शेयर का क्या मतलब होता है कि आपने कितना एक्यूमुलेट किया है माइनस जो आपको पे करना है माइनस जो आपके एक्सपेंसेस है. So we will be understanding, this is basically life insurance concept, asset share. So we will be understanding this concept in detail. We will be understanding how to calculate asset share as well. There can some of 1 or 2 numerical questions also we will practice. Important chapter. Then chapter 6 and 7 is with profit surplus distribution. Basically, we will be understanding how to distribute bonus in these chapters. So basically, आपकी एक unit is chapter 1 to 7, which talks about different type of life insurance products, asset shares understanding, and the distribution, like how you are going to distribute your bonus. Then we come to chapter 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Basically, 8, 9 is general business environment. It talks about legislation, taxation, things in the environment which can impact your life insurance products. Chapter 10, 11, 12 are extremely specific to different risks. So on the spot, you can be supposed to write the risks which are prevalent in this particular case, and they will not give you like what are the risk in endowment product, what are the risk in life regular annuity product. Obviously the case study will be there, different situation will be there, and you need to comment the risk based on that situation. Then 13 talks about pricing, 14, 15 is easy different models understanding, 16 is important product designing. Basically you will be understanding what are the different factors that you need to take into consideration while designing your life insurance product. Then chapter 17, 18 is setting off different assumptions. So all your assumptions understanding will come in these 2 chapters. 19, 20 is about capital requirements. So we will be studying about reserves, how to do capital requirements, what are the needs of requirements of capital, and how basically we can protect our capital. Then 21 talks about surrender values. Basically you will be understanding like in which case we need to surrender, how to calculate surrender value, how to alter your values, that's alterations. Then how to calculate the guarantees and options pricing, that comes under cost of guarantees and options. Then reinsurance cap देख रहे हो, दो chapters है basically. So one question generally comes from reinsurance. इंश्योरेंस, टाइप्स ऑफ री इंश्योरेंस, हम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं उसके क्या फायदे हैं क्या नुकसान है, केसेस डिफरेंट प्रेजेंट करेंगे, अंडरराइटिंग किस तरीके से हम लोग करते हैं, एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट चेक्स दैट यू नीड टू परफॉर्म इन व्हाइल डूइंग डेटा एनालिसिस, what's the investment strategy for life insurance perspective. So every product के basis पे आपकी investment strategy change होगी. So different types of risk management, मतलब you will be understanding different risk mitigation techniques in further risk management. And then 30th is monitoring experience, basically comparison of actual versus expected. So if you compare your index with SP1, generally most of the time students get also confused with this, that uh, along with SP2, which particular SP to pick. So see, if you are working in life insurance company, obviously you need to go for SP2, that's for sure. And अगर आपको symmetry रखनी है, मतलब basically terms of I would say कि understanding products की बस अलग अलग है. SP1 और SP2 में एक benefit क्या है? If I show you SP1 content also ना, तो almost the index page you will find it similar, but products are completely different. So in SP2 we talk about different life insurance products, in SP1 we talk about different health insurance products, but your syllabus with respect to underwriting, investment strategy, different risks, different mitigation techniques, different assumptions calculation, capital requirements, that's almost same. So in terms of designing of content, that is same, but products are different. So if you want to keep it simple along with preparation of SP2, go for SP1, because you can manage both even together as well. So many times some students just skip one diet and they feel कि April 2025 वाली diet थोड़ी बड़ी है, तो because हमने last diet skip करी है तो हमें 2 exams plan करने हैं. तो अगर आपको 2 exams plan करने हैं तो definitely go ahead with SP2 and SP1. Now with this, I have communicated what I want to communicate to you. Now any doubts, बिकॉज यही आपका ऐसा सेशन है जिसमें हम कोई पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. आई हैव जस्ट टेकन यू थ्रू एंटायर एनालिसिस ऑफ लाइक हाउ वी विल बी प्रोसीडिंग विद दिस कोर्स. सो आई हैव गिवन यू, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू द कंटेंट व्हिच इज देयर इन द पोर्टल. नाउ यू विल बी गेटिंग टारगेट्स, बिकॉज अब से आपके लाइव सेशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग टारगेट्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हाउ टू प्रोसीड. So every Monday you will get a schedule from our side. So एक बार इसको ध्यान से सुनना. If you have enrolled for the video program, you will get a schedule with respect to how you need to proceed with videos. Like in this week, you need to complete this set of lectures. If you have enrolled for videos plus live, so apart from the videos that you need to watch, you will also get the timings of the weekend session, and all the sessions will be via portal. And apart from the portal sessions at regular intervals, like after every 20-25 days, I will keep on meeting all the students together. That means I will keep on having talk sessions via Zoom with all video students and live students, again where we are not discussing any content but general chit chat session with you guys with respect to how you are proceeding. जैसे 15 मिनट्स का एक सेशन ले लिया कि अच्छा जैसे हमारे चैप्टर 1 to 4 कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं, तो आप लोगों का क्या कंप्लीट हुआ है, कितनी वीडियोस रहती हैं, कैसा चल रहा है, किस सेक्शन में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन आ रही है, किस सेक्शन में आपको लग रहा है कि यस आई एम स्ट्रांग इन द सेशन. तो जनरल चिट चैट सेशन वाया Zoom that we will keep on having after every 20-25 days, that will be open for both video program and live students. So watching of videos as per the targets and attending of live sessions is very important if you want to be regular with the course. See, when you start the course, you are very motivated ki yes, I have to do. But as soon as you keep on proceeding with the course, you start skipping live sessions. So don't skip live sessions at any cost. I know the video will get uploaded, but जो on the spot question का feedback आएगा आपको, that's not there in the videos. Obviously, you can hear others' feedback. You can listen to what I have given the feedback to others, but आप उसमें live participate नहीं कर सकते. So if you have enrolled for videos plus live, it's my request to every one of you that do make sure that you're attending the live sessions. And we will be keeping the sessions same timings only so that maximum participation can be there, because what I have the feedback that I've received from some of SP2 students is that they say that they want their afternoons and evenings to be free, so that they can wrap up their live sessions early morning, and post that they can do their own self study and other commitments. So that's why we will be keeping it early morning sessions, so that everyone can join live. Okay. And now, apart from the targets, one important thing is that you will get the targets from institute's number. So it's very important to save the number, because we broadcast all the information. So if you have not saved the number, you will not get any information, in spite of we being sending you the information. So the team keeps on sending you messages to save the number. So it's my request to every one of you to save all the numbers associated with institute, so that you're not missing any notification. First thing. Second thing, be very clear with the notifications that you're getting. At certain times, we will keep on sending some tips and tricks lectures also. Like, it's not that every time I'm taking a session apart from the weekend session. For example, if I feel there's a need to record a 10 minutes video on this particular thing, तो मैं एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके आपको लिंक हमने भेज दिया. तो डू कीप ऑन वॉचिंग these tips and tricks lectures, videos also, shorts also, that we keep on sending you. So it's important to be active with respect to the notifications on WhatsApp that you get from the team. And if you're not watching your lectures, so we have a team which will be doing video tracking for each one of you on individual level. So you will be getting notification from our side in case you're not proceeding as per the targets. So we are here to track all your progress, but you need to be active with respect to your studies. So this is how we together we can achieve your exam as a success. And you are already aware of this, that IFOA September 2024 results are out. So for SP2 we have achieved very good results. Lot of students have passed, but again there are some of the students who experience discrepancy with respect to marking of paper 1 and by examiner 1 and examiner 2. So the only tip, because sometimes many students ask me कि एक examiner ने fail कर दिया, एक examiner ने pass कर दिया, क्या करें? So the best way is that you need to be very good with your points. आपको ऐसे points बनाने हैं that all मतलब both the examiners are able to accept that point. If you're writing something which is completely different from the co-reading, which is not as per the standard, then one examiner may like that point, another examiner may not like that point. And since in theory exams we have a lot of subjectivity involved, so that's why you need to be very peculiar with respect to the points and how you need to achieve that standard points. Obviously, when you're watching your lectures, past papers lectures, attending live sessions, so that you can understand the relevant point versus the relevant point में क्या difference होता है. So this you need to work upon. Don't take anything for granted. And for India also, you know that we have like basically be irrespective of whether we are giving exam from India or from IFOA, your camera is on, your mic is on, your surroundings are invigilated, so you cannot access any material now. So even bookwork can be tested in exam now. So we cannot expect an easy exam, obviously, but we can expect more of straightforward questions also, like they used to come before 2019. And some questions definitely can be very difficult, application based questions. So we need to make a match of both bookwork and application questions, because sometimes what happens is students are too focused on application question that they actually forget the basics bookwork, and at times when it comes in exam they are not even they are not even able to remember the things. So मैं live session में आपको बताती रहूंगी कि इस chapter में आपको ये चीजें याद रखनी है, इस chapter में ये चीजें याद रखनी है. So इसीलिए we have prepared chapter wise notes also. So on your portal you can access for notes for each and every chapter. तो आपको कोई भी notes खुद से बनाने की need नहीं है. So with this, we wrap up the entire discussion with respect to how to proceed for April and May 2025. From next class onwards, I am basically starting with discussion of different type of life insurance products. So chapter 1 to 4 discussion will be my target for next week this class. So with this, we wrap up for the day. And in case you have any doubts, feel free to put it on institute number in case you have any general doubts. In case of technical doubts which are related to your course. तो आपको क्या करना है, you have your doubts portal which you can access 24/7. Simply put that question on the doubts portal and I will reply to you. If I feel it is something which needs to be discussed in live class, I will take that doubt in the live class. If I feel it's a 2-minute doubt which can be easily replied via portal only, I will reply to that. Because there are sometimes, for example, if you're studying at night, we get a doubt and we feel where to post it. I might forget it if I ask it in the live session. So instead of keeping your notes for the live session, you can just feel free to put it on the portal. And before the live session, I will have a quick look at the portal and will address all your doubts in that session. Or we can keep a separate doubt session if we feel that there are a lot of doubts to be handled. Okay, so with this, we wrap up for the day. Thank you, everyone.